F-680 steam-style dry foam spray and extraction all-in-one machine, centralized injection, suction and filtration, foam scrubbing, integrated vacuum suction, water absorption, and high-temperature fumigation. Fully functional, suitable for sofas, curtains, mattresses, carpets, and sheets. Professional cleaning of various velvet seats and other home and commercial venues. Bubble churning brush, cold water spray suction, filter clean water to avoid foam residue. It can also be sprayed separately, suitable for quick cleaning, suitable for sofas, chairs, curtains, mattresses, carpet upholstery, and car interiors. Filled with 80-degree centigrade steam, efficiently decomposes stains, sterilization and disinfection, rapid drying, integrating steam, scrubbing, spraying, and water absorption, all in one machine.
LRI, welcome to become a full cleaning expert with us.